Robotics has revolutionized the consumer product goods manufacturing industry, ushering in a new era of efficiency and precision. Interface supplies measurement solutions for testing and monitoring the robotics and testing machines involved with manufacturing consumer products of all types. From assembling electronic gadgets to packaging goods, robots have become indispensable assets in modern production lines. Interface has a long history in providing accurate and quality load cells and sensor technologies to test and measure consumer packaged goods and products. Our force measurement solutions help predict failure during testing operations and identify design challenges before goods are available to consumers. Interface's sensor measurement technologies have a vital role in RAND, design, production, and packaging. Load cells and other sensor products are used for all kinds of testing, from material to fatigue, in the creation and manufacturing of everyday goods. As technology continues to evolve, Interface understands the role of robotics in consumer product goods manufacturing is expected to grow, shaping a future where automation drives innovation and competitiveness in the industry.